welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this Honda Civic EG hatch. As you can see, it's a Hot Wheels premium, so we expect some better details on this one. Let's open it up and see how does it look. And while I do that, why don't you go and subscribe to my channel. The Civic hatch. It's a premium, so obviously it's slightly heavier than the main line because it comes with metal base, metal. I think the tires are also slightly heavier because of the rubber rather than being plastic. But let's look around it and see what it offers. So I like this paint job. I don't think I have any other casting with this paint job. Looks good, blue and yellow. Also, you can see spoon sports on the side. It's a two-door hatch, so you see two doors only. Also, there is a sunroof on top, spoiler on the front. Tires and wheels, you must have seen this before on other premium castings, and they do look good here, but I would have preferred the white ones. I think they suit Civic more better, the white wheels. But yeah, it doesn't look bad either. Also on the side you can see the turn indicator here. It has got the mirror, which is again good. Up front, good details up front. You've got the headlamp detailed and Honda badge. This looks like hood latches. I don't know what they are exactly called. Hood pins. They are there. 95 number, spoon racing. The paint also looks good. Even the quality of paint looks good. Yeah. Also, you can see it's a right-hand drive, so the steering is on that side. Windshield wipers are there, and you got this sport or tint. I don't know what that is called, but you got this one, which helps to prevent sunlight come in directly in your eyes. Good. You got the lip spoiler down there. It's a race car. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical to the driver's side. The only difference being the fuel filler cap, which is present here. Now coming to the rear, again nicely detailed tail lamps, but big spoon sticker on the back window. You got a spoiler, a Honda badge, and if you look closer, you got an exhaust. Other thing to notice, mud flaps on all four wheels. It's slightly, like if you see the wheel arches, they're slightly outboard. So yeah, it's a wider car than actual, like a normal car, I would say. Interior is done in black. You can see there's some small details, nothing major which I can look into. So overall, well, it's a nice casting. I like Civic. I've got a few of them, not premium but main lines, most of them from Matchbox and Hot Wheels, and I think it will be a good addition to the collection. And yeah, if you're a fan of Civic, go grab this. It's a good one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching.